My name is Omar Azudin and I'm 18 years old. I train with Coach Shirazi since I was 17 years old. Five, six, seven. I've improved a lot. I'm muscle mass and I have fat loss. And he teach me a lot about discipline and about passion in your life and about how to be a champion.